Ever found yourself staring at your bank account, wondering if that promised paycheck or reimbursement is lost in the digital void? Or maybe you're juggling bills and just need to know exactly when that extra cash is hitting your account. Today, we're diving deep into a question many of you have asked: how soon does Albert actually give you your money? We've all heard the buzz about Albert, the financial app promising instant cash advances and speedy paycheck access. But speedy is subjective, isn't it? What feels fast to one person might feel like an eternity to another. So, let's cut through the marketing jargon and get down to brass tacks. First, understand that Albert operates on a few different fronts. They offer genius cash advances, paycheck advances, and even facilitated bank transfers. Each of these operates on its own timeline. For genius cash advances, the speed largely depends on whether you're using a linked debit card or a bank account. If you're using a debit card, you can often expect to see the funds within minutes. That's right, minutes. Think of it as a quick bridge to cover an unexpected expense. However, if you're transferring the money to a bank account, it's a different story. Standard bank transfer times apply, which can range from 1 to 3 business days. This is crucial to remember. If you need money right now, a debit card transfer is your best bet. Then, there's the paycheck advance feature. This is where things get a little more nuanced. Albert aims to give you access to your paycheck up to 2 days early. However, this relies heavily on your employer's payroll processing and your bank's processing times. If your employer submits payroll early and your bank processes it quickly, you'll see those funds sooner. But if there are delays on either end, you might have to wait the standard processing time. Now, let's talk about those general bank transfers you might initiate through Albert. These are subject to the standard ACH, automated clearinghouse, processing times. Typically, this means 1 to 3 business days. Weekends and holidays can significantly impact this timeline. So, if you initiate a transfer on a Friday afternoon, don't expect to see the funds until Tuesday or Wednesday. It's also worth noting that Albert's verification processes can play a role. If they need to verify your identity or bank account, this can add extra time. This is especially true for new users. To summarize, for instant cash advances via debit card, you're looking at minutes. For bank transfers, it's 1 to 3 business days. For paycheck advances, it's potentially up to 2 days early, but reliant on external factors. The key takeaway here is to plan ahead. Don't rely on Albert for last-minute emergencies unless you're using the debit card advance feature. Understand the processing times and factor in potential delays. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.